Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Jaden.
Good afternoon. Welcome to McDonald's.
Hello. Will you take my order?
Yes.
Can I have 2 McFlurry, Oreo McFlurry?
Order with large fries.
No, just 2 McFlurry, Oreo McFlurry.
Okay.
Yes, and that would be all.
The order.
Yes.
Can you check the money, please?
Yes. It's all good. I check it already.
Your total bill is 124.
Okay, I'll pay using my cash here.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hello! Hello!
O, yung bayad mo.
Hello!
Advance ka na.
Hello!
Where's my McFlurry, sir?
Do you want that change?
Of course. Where's my change, sir?
Thank you!
Where's my order?
Bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Good afternoon!
Hi.
Hi, where's my order? Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.